Welcome back to our channel.
Carrot
Magical
Mayhem!
We're coming up to our 100-day countdown
So we decided to do something we've not done before.
and make a Disney countdown.
To hang up in our house. First you're going to need some red card. We got ours from the range.
We picked red because Minnie and Mickey were red, but you can have any colour you want, like blue for Donald.
Or yellow for Pluto or green for Goofy.
Yeah. Then we cut out some Minnie and Mickey faces, which we printed off.
We did 100 because we're doing a 100-day countdown.
We've got some pictures, little pictures and stickers, what we're going to use just to stick around.
We got the pictures from magazines and books to jazz it up.
Right, I'm just cutting these out so we can write the numbers on and then we can stick them on the Minnie or Mickey heads. Right, we've made a start to our countdown. We've printed off a 2019 Walt Disney World poster. We've also cut out Minnie and Mickey ears.
We put a Disney character underneath them and we put them in tens.
So when we take them off, it's not boring, you can see a character underneath. We're going to just put another one on. And then Rachel's going to put a picture underneath. That's it. And now we've pinned all our Minnie and Mickey ears on, it's now time to decorate it. Right, I'm just going to put a few pictures around what we found.
So this is me and my sister. This is us as a family. Chippendale, Main Street Coke. Again, me and my sister, the castle, me and my own, and my sister on my own. Okay, so we've added some stickers onto us and some Disney photos. So for example, Animal Kingdom, here's Aladdin, Magic Kingdom, Donald Duck. We're going to Disney World. So yeah, and we added this paper chain that I made the other day. So that is what it looks like. So I'm going to give you a little tour. So here's a paper chain that I made the other day. Up here we have a Disney banner to say that it's 2019. So we have our intents, Mickey and Minnie's, and underneath we have a Disney character. It's all from the Clubbies because we think we're the main characters of Disney. So here, Chippendale with me and my sister. Chippendale as a family. I love this one. I love this in my thumbnail. LOL. But it's really nice, isn't it? So watching.
If you've got a holiday to Disney coming up, maybe you could make a Disney countdown just like us.
And tag us on Instagram at Magical Mayhem. And please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you can become a member of our Disney family.
Keep watching as we get closer to our Disney holiday and post more videos.
See you real soon.